Today we're actually gonna start cleaning kind of the interior that we're gonna add to the car. You can see I've already started cleaning the door panels. So I'm going with the ITR blue. It's kind of obvious at this point. So I've been cleaning it with some degreaser as well as like spraying the fabric with some carpet cleaner. And so that's what I've been doing there. And then the same thing with here. We have some used Integra Type R rear seats with some, I think it's Alcantara suede, or and then just kind of this vinyl material here. But yeah, it's the Type R rear seats. And last but not least, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing here. But I will be kind of opening or unboxing the carpet that will be the third piece for the Integra Type R interior for the DC5. So I'm going to kind of put it right here while I unbox it, zoom out a little bit, and let you guys kind of see what I'll be doing. Just gonna dump out this liquid. This is pretty much all the dirt we sucked out of kind of this carpet. So this stuff works. All right, we've done multiple rounds of using the little green, which is a wet vac that kind of sucks up kind of wet liquid. It's pretty clean. I couldn't get out some of the fading over here, but I think the floor mat's gonna cover it. And then some of the dirt that was over here, it's a little lighter now, but it's not near perfect. But I think that's where the Recaro seats are gonna sit. So it's pretty much gonna be covered. So pretty much the exposed areas of the blue are still pretty good. And then the front area here, it's a little worn down from the kick pedal. Interestingly enough, I'll probably have to cut 2 holes for the dead pedal over there because this is for the Type R carpet, which is reversed from the USDM version, as you can see there. So I think we're about done for now. So these are the mats that came with the Type R carpet, but these mats are actually new. Unlike the Integra Type R carpet, this is new, and they're from Lloyd Maps by Covercraft. I've never heard of them, but they were included with the purchase, and so I saw a few photos of them. They look like they had matched the Integra Type R carpet, but this is the first time that I'm seeing it today. And so we're we're gonna take a look at it. All right, yeah, so it includes the driver's side and the passenger side. Has a little cutout for that gas cap here. You can see that it looks kind of like gray black to me, but it does have this kind of navy border, this dark navy blue border, which is kind of hard to see. You might be able to see that contrast there, but I'll be running this because, you know, it's free and I think it'll look good with the carpet. It'll kind of match the rear seats, and so there's kind of a black and blue contrast that I'm going with the Integra or the DC5. So that's what it is. This is the blue Integra Type R for the DC5 interior. Pretty much cleaned it with Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Stain Extractor, a little degreaser for the plastic panels, and used a kind of little green steam kind of wetback to suck up all the dirt. So this is the final product. So you see, this is what the Integra Type R seats in suede, black suede, is going to go in the car. Then we have the blue door panels. We also have the door handles themselves. And then last but not least, the carpet. So that's it. Gonna get started on the actual install of the dynomat, and then we could bring these pieces back into the car. So we have the rear seats right over there, and what we're gonna do now is install the rear seats back onto the car. We have everything pretty much previously installed that we wanted to do, like the dynomat here. The new Type R carpet is installed here within this kind of punch here, and then here as well, and we've tucked the carpet in. We still need to put the carpet and make some adjustments since it's a right-hand drive carpet, which I'll show you guys what I'll be doing there later. But right now we're going to install the rear Type R seats over here, and in order to do that, we need to actually torque back some of the seatbelt components, like the seatbelt buckle here and the seatbelt harness itself, because we had taken it off to install the dynomat. So what we're going to do is torque it back to spec. The torque specs for it is, and mostly for all the seat belts, at least the rear, is 24 foot-pounds. So we're going to do that first. And the other addition that we're going to install is a C-pillar bar, which I picked up. All right, so 24 foot-pounds. So now we're working on this one. All right, so we installed the bar. We torqued it down to 24 foot-pounds there. And then we tightened the rest of the rod. So it's pretty sturdy. So now that we have all the seat belts kind of torqued down, we're gonna start by putting the rear seat back on. All right, next we're gonna get a bolt and add it to this one here. All right, now that we got the seat belts torqued down and spec'd at 24 foot-pounds, and we also installed the C-pillar while we were putting the top seat belt harness back on. We're gonna add the rear seats. You can see I've already kind of snapped in the bottom part of the seat. Now it's just adding the side brackets that will hold up the backing.